like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2015 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG with front end collision damage. Right now we're going to go over the engine compartment and I'll show you the damaged areas. So it looks like the engine is sitting in place. The vehicle does start. Aprons, strut towers, everything look like they're sitting in place. The engine did not move back at all. Everything lines up pretty good. Front of the motor, nothing broken, all the accessories are in place. It's hard to see through the video, but everything's nice. Now it appears the vehicle hit a pole right in between the frame rails. So the bumper reinforcement is damaged, the radiator, the condenser, fans. Frame rails look like they're intact. This piece unbolts here. The frame rails behind the aluminum bar there. It's the same on this side. Frame rails look good, nice and straight. This piece unbolts. You need a radiator support. Coolers, looks like on both sides. Do a quick walk around. So definitely hit a pole, you can tell by the impact. This fender is good. This side's very clean. Nice panoramic roof. Windshield is intact. Very expensive. We'll be selling it with a salvage title. Looks a lot worse than it is because the hood is all crumpled up, but mostly everything that needs to be changed is unbolt. Nothing needs to be welded or replaced. Everything's bolt on, bolt off. Let's take a look inside. Really nice interior. Got the AMG logos there. Rear power shade. Rear door shades. Got the visors in the back, panoramic roof, split panoramic roof. Really nice. Looks like you have driver airbag deployed, knee airbag deployed, and one curtain airbag deployed on the passenger side, it looks like. Driver's side is good. And the keys. Seats are in good shape. Really nice car. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.